All right, what's up? What's up, good people? Hey, this is your boy Willie Bear here, back with another video on tonight. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I market my econ with Conversion Pros. For those of you that don't know, Conversion Pros is a business in a box. It allows you to follow up with your leads every day, and it allows you to present your opportunity in a professional manner. Okay, and instead of just directing them to a corporate website or a generic website, you want to have a website that's going to brand you first before you show them any information about your opportunity. All right, this gentleman inboxed me, well, he DM'd me on IG earlier today, and he said he wanted more information about Myecon. And I simply told him that it's a video that he have to watch first, 20-minute video. And after he watched the video, then I can follow up with him, and then I can answer his questions. So you want to make sure that you have a system in place that's going to answer all of your prospects' questions. And after they watch the video presentation, then you can answer any additional questions that they may have. All right, it makes it more easier. You don't want to be explaining your opportunity to everyone that inboxes you. All right, that's so much work. Okay, so you want to have your business on automation. But he opted in about an hour ago. I'm going to follow with him in a minute. But this is what my funnel looks like, and this is how the funnel works. I'm gonna put in a test email and show you how we have what's called contact manager, which was just implemented about a week or so ago. I'll show you. This is just a test. All right. So just say like if you have a prospect that goes to your capture page and they put their information in. This is my econ capture page. All right. It says learn the secrets of the wealthy. We help people to increase their credit score, and we show people how to make money, save money, and get out of debt. Okay. That ad copy alone is going to pique people's interest. Who doesn't want to know how to increase their credit score, to save money, and to make money, and to get out of debt? All right, that's going to raise a lot of curiosity. So you want to make sure you have good ad copy on your capture pages. And in Conversion Pros, we show you how to do that. All right. Also, there's a picture of myself. This is going to build an initial connection with the person that visited my website. They see a picture of me. They know that I'm a real person. This is a lifestyle picture of me on vacation in Mexico. All right, that's going to make an initial connection. All right, they put the information in. They hit show me the money. And this is a picture of me. This is a thank you page that I created. It says, thanks for opting in. I will be in touch real soon. Here's my phone number with a quote. And it's just showing that I'm a real person. It says, contact me on social media. Buttons are below. As you can see, I have all of my social media buttons: Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Instagram, and YouTube. All right, the person may want to check out you more, to see who you are. They may want to check me out further. So if I hit Twitter, it's going to take them to my Twitter page. Picture of me, Myecon. I'm posting value on there. Instagram, they can check me out on Instagram. All right, I'm posting value on there as well. And I have my YouTube channel. So it's important that you have all your contact information, all of your social media links. The person may want to contact you by social media. All right, next it has view our presentation. It's going to take them to a 20-minute presentation. It's going to explain everything about the business. All right, 20-minute presentation has my phone number again. It has testimonials about Myecon, and it has buttons to join Myecon, and it has a button to get the Conversion Pro system. All right, so you want to make sure, guys, that you have a professional looking website. You want to brand yourself. Before you share anything about the company, you want to make sure that you're branding yourself. People join people and not businesses. Okay, and make sure that you have a good phone number so they can reach you at, just in case they want to call. If they have any questions, you can connect with them by phone. it just lets people know that you're a genuine person, that you're a real person. Okay, so if you want to know more about Conversion Pros, it's an amazing system. We're constantly adding new things. It's $50 a month. You have a chance to make residuals with this $25 residual for each person that signs up under you. And it's just a great system, guys. So hit me up if you're interested, and I will be glad to get you set up, whatever business you're in. Conversion Pros can help you market any business. I don't care if it's real estate, if you cut hair, if you're in TLC, if you do the what's that, the CBD oil offers, all of that. You can market any business that you can think of with this amazing system. So thanks for watching, and I will talk soon.